Okay, this is my opinion of hollyhocks. Look at that. This thing has like grown to 8 feet tall from nothing. And hollyhocks, yeah, they're kind of beautiful, just a little bit. Yes, hollyhocks. Yes, hollyhocks are beautiful. There's no denying that. If they would grow down there. But I mean, this is ridiculous. The first 4 feet, nothing. And then it flowers and it reaches to the sky like Jack and the Beanstalk. Isn't that outrageous? Look at that gigantic plant. It's phenomenal. And I do no way. Yeah, hollyhocks, you can't kill them. You know, I've dug them out. I've taken a shovel and dug 2 feet down or more, pulled the roots out. For 14 years I've been trying to kill this hollyhock. I've poured gasoline on it. I've poured gasoline into the roots. Killed everything else around it, but why don't they grow nice like this lily or whatever that is? Yeah, I don't know my flowers. It's so what? But you know what? At least I got some flowers. And you have to admire Caitlin's wonderful window. It goes along with the hollyhock. Yeah, hollyhocks are beautiful, but they reach to the sky. Check out the bees. Sadie sees a squirrel or something. What's out there? What do you see? What's out there? Well, it's a mourning dove. Well, don't chase the mourning dove. You're goofy. Oh, there is a squirrel up there. Sadie busted you. That's a red squirrel. Those things are nasty. I don't like red squirrels. I don't like you. They chew through wiring in cars. No lie, they've wrecked my trolling motor, my boat. He's wrecked part of my dad's engine. Had to be replaced for about $1,000. Another lady we know, $3,800 of damage. Because the red squirrel chews through wiring in cars. Especially up by the engine. Okay. So these are my Crocs, I guess they're called. I wear these around the yard. And I leave them right here because they're totally waterproof. But look at that. A spider. And if he did, do I want to put this on and get a spider bite on my toes? I'd rather he bites my fingers and get in there and feel around, because otherwise my toes will feel itchy. Okay, that one's clear. I was pretty sure it would be. But that one is immersed in the nasty, wasty spider web. Big bad spider. I want to take him out. Alright, let's take this out. Make sure there's not going to be any creatures living in the toes of my shoes. Have you ever stepped in a shoe and had something bite you? Hopefully not a scorpion. Definitely not a boa constrictor. That'd be very large shoes, don't you think? Aye. Black widow? Oh, that'd be horrible. That would be really... No, not black widow. The brown recluse. Those are the worst. And we do have some around here too. Not very many, but around barns and decks, which is where my shoes are. Alright. I think I'm safe. What do you think, Sadie? This spring, I planted a whole packet of mixed flower seeds. And I like the element of surprise. I do have a few weeds in here. But I do like the element of surprise. But I wasn't expecting these gigantic sunflowers. Look at them. So my yard is looking like Grey Gardens. It's a little overgrown. So this was a fail this year. Amazing. See? What's in there? She's convinced there's a squirrel in there because she saw one once. What's in my flower garden? You know, I'm not too picky. I let her dig around in there for a little bit. Just a little bit though. Alright, come out. That's enough. Good enough.